Welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you how to make NFT and how to make money with NFT. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever we upload a video. If you know what NFTs are and want to learn how to create and sell them, keep reading, and we'll lead you through the steps. The initial step is to select an NFT platform on which you can make and sell your NFT, as well as a payment wallet to pay fees and get cash if your work sells. There are various internet sites where you may create and sell NFTs. OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, Nifty Gateway, where Paris Hilton auctioned her Strange Crypto Queen NFT, depicted above, Foundation, Vive, Bakery Swap, Axie Marketplace, and NFT Showroom are all popular NFT auction sites. Coinbase, MetaMask, Taurus, Portis, Wallet Connect, MyEtherWallet, and Fortmatic are just a few of the major NFT payment systems. In this video, we will show you how to make and sell NFT using the NFT platform Rarible and the Bitcoin payment platform MetaMask, just for demonstration reasons. You might use any of the platforms indicated above, as well as many more. The procedures will be identical in most cases, although we recommend double-checking the cost you'll be charged. More on that later. 6. Set up an auction. You'll need to decide how to sell your NFT artwork in the following section of the form. There are 3 possibilities. Fixed price lets you select the price and sell your NFTs right away, similar to eBay Buy It Now option. Next, people will make bids until you accept one using the unlimited auction option. Finally, a timed auction is an auction that takes place over a specific period. As an example, we'll go with that choice. If you sell your NFT too cheaply, the huge cost will eat up all of your earnings, leaving you out of cash. So we'll price the set at 1 ETH, currently $4,700, and offer individuals 7 days to submit bids. This lets you deliver a full, high-resolution version of your art and supplementary content to your final customer via a personal webpage or download link. The option below, labeled Choose Collection, is the most perplexing. This is a highly technical issue concerning the blockchain configuration. The default setting is Rarible, and we recommend keeping it that way. 5. Upload your file. So now that you have an ETH wallet linked to your work, you're ready to construct an NFT of your work. First, click the blue Create button in the top right-hand corner of the Rarible site. After that, you'll be offered the choice of creating a single, one-of-a-kind piece or selling the same thing several times. In this case, we'll go with single. Now, you must submit the digital file that will be converted to an NFT. PNG, GIF, WebP, MP4, and MP3 files up to 30 megabytes in size are accepted by Rarible. To demonstrate, we've made a comically bad work of art based on David Hockney's infamous London Underground painting. After you've uploaded your, hopefully much better, digital file, you'll see a sample of what your NFT post will look like on the right. 4. Connect your wallet to an NFT platform. The majority of digital wallets operate similarly. Rarible will be used as an example, but there are many more NFT platforms to pick from, and the procedure will be identical to what we've laid out below. A button labeled Connect Wallet may be seen in the right-hand corner of the screen. Click here and you'll be prompted for your wallet provider, which in our instance is MetaMask, on the following screen. You'll be asked to connect your wallet to Rarible via a pop-up. First, accept the terms of service and confirm that you're over the age of 13 by clicking Next, then Connect. 3. Add some cryptocurrency to your wallet. After you've created your MetaMask wallet or any other digital wallet, you'll need to fund it with ETH. If you don't have any ETH, you'll need to buy some right now, so click the Buy button and choose Buy ETH with Wire. A page where you will buy ETH will be sent to you using Apple Pay or a debit card. If you are not chanced to send money right now, you may skip this step. It will just take a bit longer. Although the vocabulary used in the cryptocurrency realm might be intimidating, purchasing money is pretty simple. Just keep in mind that, like Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies, Ether's value can vary dramatically. With several peaks and troughs along the road, the price of 1 ETH has gone from under $1,000 to about $4,700 at the time of writing in 2021. It's very conceivable for the currency's value to fluctuate by hundreds of dollars in only a few hours. 2. Create your digital wallet. To use MetaMask to build a digital wallet, go to its site and click the blue download icon in the top right corner. We'll install the browser extension because we're using a desktop computer, but there's also a mobile app. you'll be prompted to confirm you want to create a new wallet and seed phrase. Don't get too worked up over what a seed phrase is. It's just a list of words that saves blockchain data. If you say yes, all you have to do now is agree to the conditions, create a password, and go through certain security precautions to have your account set up. 1. Buy some cryptocurrency. All of the NFT, as mentioned earlier, auction sites will require money in advance to mint your NFT, which will transform your artwork into a non-fungible token that you can later sell. In most cases, they want payment in cryptocurrency, so you'll need to purchase some to cover the expenses before you can earn it. Most platforms collect either an Ether, abbreviated as ETH, the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum, the open-source blockchain platform where NFT initially debuted. If you already have any ETH, make sure it's in a digital wallet, which you'll need to link to your preferred NFT platform to send and receive payments. If you need to acquire any, there are several cryptocurrency exchanges where you may do so. The quickest way is to buy ETH straight using your preferred digital wallet. If you'd prefer to use another provider, or if you're already familiar with digital wallets and have one, go to step 4. Otherwise, we'll walk through setting up your wallet and purchasing ETH in the following steps. Non-fungible tokens, how to make money, NFTs. Non-fungible tokens are undoubtedly the most popular trend in crypto ecosystem right now. Everyone is talking about creating their own NFTs, from celebrities to well-known corporations. However, not all NFTs are created equal. Some are extremely valuable, but others are completely useless. 3. NFT video games. Video games built on NFT technology might very well be the future of NFT technology. So yet, none of the games that use non-fungible tokens have been widely popular, but the potential for using NFT in video games appears to be enormous. Whether it's World of Warcraft Gold, Call of Duty loot boxes, or Counter-Strike skins, all of these marketplaces are already worth billions. So if a large video game business decides to offer in-game things as NFTs, it will have a huge influence on both the gaming and blockchain ecosystems. It's also worth mentioning that NFT video game producers are among the most forward-thinking non-fungible token makers, and NFT in-game products might help drive non-fungible technology forward. In-game NFTs are significantly more complicated than basic digital trading cards or more interactive NFTs like virtual art pieces. On the other hand, non-fungible tokens in video games can be quite complicated, completely interactive, and evolve, for example, by being improved or leveling up with the player's character. 2. Licensed collectibles. The most natural and obvious use of the non-fungible token technology appears to be tokenizing valuables. Brands that previously only sold actual collectibles, such as trading cards, may now offer the same thing digitally. The price of a digital trading card might be substantially greater than its physical equivalent, due to the demonstrable rarity of NFTs. Sports cards have been proven to be the most popular sort of licensed NFT collectibles thus far. The inaugural NFT sports card initiative enables users to exchange licensed footballer cards, but the NBA unveiled its NFT cards collection. Other sports organizations are expected to follow suit, and collectors will purchase NFT cards for baseball and hockey as well. NFTs may be used for various things, not simply sports cards. Non-fungible tokens may be made out of any physical collectible. Physical trading cards can be readily damaged, while NFTs can be safely preserved on the blockchain and never lose their quality. 1. Digital works of art. Individual NFT artworks are the most profitable NFT tokens ever generated in terms of pure profit. The history of blockchain technology and art altered forever on March 11th. An NFT work of art was sold for $69 million at Christie's, one of the world's most prestigious auction houses. In addition, Christie's auctioned a wholly digital artwork for the first time. Digital artist Mike Winkelmann, also known as Beeple, produced Every Day, the first 5,000 days. The NFT is a collage of 5,000 tokenized pictures that Beeple created every day over the years. While some are concerned that selling what is effectively linked to a photograph for millions of dollars may be used to launder money, others feel that NFT represents a real revolution in the industry. Beeple's NFT's record-breaking price may be eclipsed shortly. Beeple was, after all, a completely unknown artist until lately. However, if someone like Banksy auctions an NFT work of art, the price will very certainly be substantially more than $69 million. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which part you like the most. Or click on the thumbs up button if you like the video.